Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix Multiversus stuck on authenticating screen. Method 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet speed is good enough and stable. If you are using a wireless connection, please place your computer within range of the transmitter. It's better to put them next to each other. Try switching from a wireless connection to a wired connection. If you're using a wired connection, try changing from your current connection port on the router to another port. Try use a new Ethernet cable to ensure that the problem does not come from damaged cables. Now, please visit the internet speed test pages to check the internet speed you are using. Here I will visit to the speed test page. If the test results show that your internet speed is good and stable, please move on to the next method. Method 2. Check Multiversus server status. So, with any connection issues on any game title, the next thing we need to do is check their server status. To do that, we need visit Multiversus homepage. There we will see links to their social network pages. Just visit them one by one and see if there are any notifications of server problems occurring. If the investigation shows that the server is experiencing an outage or connectivity issues, the only thing you can do is wait. Otherwise, please move on to the next method. Method 3. Disable IPv6. To do this, press Windows key R, then type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right-click on your internet connection and pick Properties. Scroll down and uncheck the box next to Internet Protocol version 6, TCP, IPv6, to disable it. Click OK. Relaunching Multiversus and see if authenticating error is resolved. Method 4. Use manual DNS. Press Windows key R, then type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right-click on your internet connection and pick Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP, IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses option. On preferred DNS server, input 1.1.1.1. On alternate DNS server, input 1.0.0.1. Now, tick on Validate Settings upon exit. Click OK. Click OK. Once done, go to Multiversus and see if authenticating error is fixed. Method 5. Stay up to date. We will need to update the following two objects to ensure the game operates stably. First, update the Windows system. Just click on Start button, then select Settings. Select Windows Update. Click Check for updates. If any update is available, update it. The second, update Microsoft Visual C++. Just visit the Microsoft Visual C++ download page, then download all three versions, 2015, 2012 and 2010. You will need to download both Architecture x64 and x86. After the download is complete, please install the files you just downloaded one by one. Once done, restart the computer and relaunching Multiversus and see if authenticating error is gone. Method 6. Verify integrity of game files. For Steam users, open Steam, then navigate to Library. Right-click on Multiversus, then select Properties. Select Installed Files. Select Verify integrity of game files. For Epic Game Launcher users, open Epic Game Launcher, then navigate to Library. Find Multiversus in List, then right-click on it, then select Manage. Select Verify. Once done, relaunching Multiversus and check if authenticating error is gone. Method 7. Clear DNS cache. On your keyboard, press Windows key, then type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and pick Run as administrator. Now, type ipconfig, flush DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, register DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, release and press Enter. Type ipconfig, renew and press Enter. Type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Type netsh int IP reset and press Enter. Final. Restart your PC, then relaunching Multiversus and see if authenticating error is resolved. Method 8. Power cycle the router. Just turn off the router, then unplug the router from the power outlet. Then wait at least 3 minutes. After that, plug the router back into the power outlet, then it's time to power on the router. Wait for all panel lights on the router to become green on before testing your internet connection. Connect to the network with your PC and test the internet connection. It's always better to test this by connecting with an Ethernet cable if possible. Method 9. Uninstall and reinstall the game. For Steam users, open Steam, then navigate to Library. Right-click on Multiversus, then select Manage. Select Uninstall. For Epic Game Launcher users, open Epic Game Launcher, then navigate to Library. Find Multiversus in List, then right-click on it, then select Uninstall. Once done, reinstall Multiversus and check if authenticating error is gone. Method 10. Factory reset the router. To do that, make sure keep your router plugged in. Next, find your router's reset button. This will be on the back or the bottom of your router. Use a paperclip or similar object to hold down the reset button for 30 seconds. Release the button. Wait for the router to power back on and check if the problem is gone. Finally, if the problem still appears from time to time, it is most likely due to server overload or not yet stable. A sudden increase in the number of players during holidays or free time can be the cause of this problem. And what you can do now is wait for the publisher to optimize the server system and come back at another time. That's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.